Hello everyone, welcome to another Duolingo tutorial. Today I will show you how to delete a language in Duolingo. Now first of all, click in the left upper corner. You need to have two languages before you can delete a single language in Duolingo. So make sure you have two languages. I don't have two languages, so you need to have two languages. Then what you will need to do is tap on the bottom middle icon, which looks like person. And then here, go to settings, right? Now, as you can see here, you basically have manage courses, right? So once you click manage courses, here you can actually remove a course, which is a Spanish course right here. So click remove, and as you can see, you can remove a course. So actually they updated the app so you can actually remove and turn off the course from here. So that's basically how you can remove a course in Duolingo. If you have any questions, or maybe if you have any comments, you can comment down below. And if you want more Duolingo tutorials, then definitely comment down below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching.